And hello there, everyone. Pull a seat up, sit down, start drawing, have a listen, or maybe you can watch and listen while I'm drawing, or you can draw along with me, and we can make doodles together. But I was sitting here and my hands were getting cold while I was drawing, and I wanted to warm them up. I do have a little heater that I turn on, but then it makes the room too hot. And when it gets too hot in the room, it doesn't feel very comfortable to breathe in the air when it's that hot. But I just want to warm up my hands. And so I tried to put on some gloves to draw. But then I lose that tactile feeling, the sensation of holding the pen in my hand while I'm drawing. So then my hands don't stay warm. I've tried taking a glove, wearing it on my hand, but then just leaving my pinky finger and the ring finger with the glove on and just cutting the middle, the index, and the thumb part of the glove off so that I can have feeling, but the rest of my hand warm. But then my fingers were still getting cold, even though the glove was covering most of my hand. And then I was having to where my hands felt sweaty, but I looked and they weren't sweaty or anything. They weren't even like, my hands were just dry. I guess I do have a heating pad. I think I could get my heating pad and put my hand on the heating pad to warm up my hand. If only, I have an idea of something that would be interesting, like a built-in heating pad for your hand for artists, but it leaves the middle, the index, and the thumb to where there's nothing covering half of it or most of it, so that you can still hold pencils and pens and things to draw, but it keeps your hand warm. I think that would be pretty convenient to have. But as you can see here, this drawing was done with the TWSBI Eco T, and I'm drawing what looks like splashy things all over the place, and there's an eyeball and kind of twirly vines and stuff. I had fun making this. I do actually enjoy making the twirly vines and all the splashy stuff going everywhere, and I really enjoy shading in and stippling the splashy water areas. But I'm going to go warm up my hands, turn my heater on, put my hands in front of them to warm them up before I start another drawing. But hopefully you stay warm depending on where you're at, and keep your hands warm and have fun doodling, and I'll talk to you all later. Alright, you have a good day.